red tail.
Yep. We're taxiing out.
Yeah, I'm loving this girl. She is unapologetic about it. Great.
Okay, take it off.
Channel clear. Gear up.
It's honking its horn and everything. Okay, low pass from the left.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Low pass from the left. Five. You can tell a little more poop. No, it probably can, but I'm not going to do it. There's no need. I don't need Reno Air Racer fast. It's already pretty fast as it is. Low pass from the left. Huh? Well, you said to the right, so I tried to avoid it. Yeah, that's pretty high. No, me neither. So get your shit. Let's go. Lopez from the left.
They run to those. This is when the real people get to fly.
Good up.
The only thing I didn't like doing that with the A10, I almost lost it.
Yeah.
Because you can't tell which color is
No,
which.
you can't tell what's what.
Yeah. And so
Especially with the sun.
I was trying to come
Time
on.
remaining
And
5.
then you go up and then you put it and then flip it and I was
Yep.
like,
I don't know where I'm going.
oh. Yeah.
Could you take this thing down for me, please? Take it all the way off. All the way out. Thank you.
Take it up!
Somebody's got to come in, guys. Watch, I'm going to keep up with Chris here. I'm going to mess with them, watch. With an electric plane. I'm way out there. Where's... Oh, wait, he's... What the hell's he doing?
4 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was going to mess with Chris. He's flying erratic as fuck, though. I can't. I couldn't match what he was doing. Anything you can do, I can do better. Jesus, Rob. Lopez!
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Here goes Bob. Stop. 5S. Zip tie too.
Time remaining 2 minutes 21 seconds.
Okay.
And Bob's on the
Make the same mistake twice and not say goodbye.
Oh,
Like I said, do what I
Time
got.
remaining 2
Good to see you, Bob. Been forever.
is it? I
Yeah.
don't remember. That's awesome.
Yeah, they were Friday.
That's
They were Friday in the week.
Yeah.
I'm not retired yet, man.
Good to see you, Bob.
Yeah, it is good to
It's
see
been
you.
a long-ass time.
I've flown one time at RSA in the last 4 months.
Really?
With my little mini.
Yeah. This is pretty good, though. I like it. This is fun.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's a lot of people, but still good.
That's the part that drives me nuts, trying to park. Of course, as soon as you get there and you're visit, they all open up.
Right.
After you waited 30 minutes.
Right.
Landing!
Come on in.
Good to see you guys. I will see you later.
Yes,
Send
you
me
will.
those pictures. I got a photo from
The brown, dark brown, light stain.
I'll get busy unloading the car, and Frank could be a thought way off in the distance.
What's your son's name?
Brian, I put it in the back of the shirt.
I thought so, but I was like, maybe? Ah!
The heck was that?
The red ones always do that.
Hurry up, I gotta land. Hurry up, because I gotta land.
Peter was going to come out, but he had to go get his
Oh, I've done it.
real ID. I go on a Saturday. He goes, yeah, I go, okay.
It's Robert, as soon as you're clear, I'm landing.
My wife just did.
Bob.
So I understand.
Oh, like the new ID?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to get one.
So if you have a passport, you don't need it.
But unless if you're gonna travel and clear.
Landing!
Right? When I travel, even if they want to say, I'll take my passport. You know why? I go to check
barbecue on my mind.
Drone that works for TSA.
Ugh.
My address, he knows I'm gonna, my house is going to be
3 point.
Thank you. Taxi back and you're good to go. Taxi back! That thing's loud.
10,
Taking off, left to right.
Clear!
That was crazy.